Well, gambled and lost. Made it to 224th. Transmission said no more. Tow truck's on the way. I'm no rocket scientist, but that's reverse. Oh, it went into gear. That ain't good. So it begins. Here we go, transmission day. Getting ready. There's the old one. Replacement, getting ready to go in. Hey guys, check that out. This is the transfer case to this thing. Weird. And it's done. We are on the road. It's doing good. Shifting good. This is a good transmission. Still got to get it reprogrammed, obviously. So we're just being gentle on the way back. Got to get the tire size reprogrammed and do a relearn on it. Should be good to go. Alrighty, guys.